What's going on, everybody? At 84 Wicked Explorers. Today we're going on an adventure. We're going to a cafe that's attached to a airport. The planes fly next to it, and we are gonna hit a brewery. It's gonna be fun. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and hit the little alarm so you get notified. Sleeping like a baby. Look who's awake. Hey, buddy. I don't see any airplanes landing. Three right there. That's the windsock. I don't know if any planes can take off if they wanted to. Nice day though. I think he's going to the end of the runway to take off.
Really?
He's going to take off this way, into the wind. We'll see. Looks like he's about to take off. This guy's going fast. Considering his door's still open. Missing the plane boat.
You made yourself chicken and waffles this morning?
Okay. Well, maybe he's just parking. I'm not quite sure what this guy's doing yet. Sorry, buddy, no breakfast for you. It's my second breakfast of the day. And yikes. That pancake's the size of you.
I know, it's huge.
At the Airfield Cafe, where planes will take off as you eat. There he goes. There he goes. Well, on our third attempt, we found the right entrance. We went to every driveway except for the right one. Yes, I believe so. I think they grow everything here. There's the hops right there. There's the old farmhouse. Should be able to get it, hopefully.
It's kind of warm in there.
Alright, big guy. You ready to go home? Yeah. Alright. Let's go home. Hops. This looks like a screensaver.
Yeah.
I took a picture of the farm over there. I like this everything.
Oh, they have a little Christmas tree.
Oh. Maybe we could chop that one down for Christmas.
No, I bet they do for over there.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Back home. This is a fun little adventure today. Back to see the puppies. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.